I'm going to show them how to make a paper airplane. So you want to get this paper, okay, and then you want to get a blank sheet of paper, then put it this way, not this way, okay, and you want to fold it in half. Then you're going to take this. You're going to take this part and fold it just like that, and this one too, just like that. If I'm doing it too fast, you're going to have to pause the video, okay, and then make the paper open. Just like that. And now you want to take this part and fold it right there, just like that, okay? Okay, just like that. And now you want to take this part and fold it right at the middle. Just like that. Then you want to take this part and fold it up just like that, okay? Okay, when you're done with that, just like that. Then I'm going to take this part and fold it on this line. I'll show you. See, just like that. Take these two parts and fold it on the line right there. Then you wanna just fold it back just like that. Okay, just like that. Then you wanna take this part and fold it on the line right there. Okay. See, just like that. Just like that. And then you make a paper airplane. Bye, guys.